first way is go to File and choose Open. Or just click on this Open icon. Choose the image and click on the Open icon. Now your image is opened in the Photoshop. The second way is to go to the file and choose the place embedded. Now your image is opened in the Photoshop. The third way is drag and drop. Go to where your image is located. Choose the image and drag it like this. Now you can adjust it accordingly. Fourth way is one of my favorite. With this way you can import all the images in just one click. For example, let's create a new canvas. First, make sure these settings on in your Photoshop. Go to Edit Preferences and go to General. In here, make sure Skip Transformation is checked and always create smart objects when placing is checked. Now every image you import in Photoshop will be a smart object, which means you can easily change the size of an image without losing the quality of the image. Select the All Image and drag to import. Now the All Images is imported in just click of a button. Now select one of your images and resize it accordingly, without losing the quality. This is it for now. If you have any suggestion, just comment on the video. Thanks for watching. See you soon with another tutorial.